In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A37 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you want to use in this view and launching it in the background. Now, you need to click on this icon of an app available at the top. Once you do it, you will see this pop-up. Finally, tap on Open in pop-up view and enjoy using your app in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it as well. You can even reshape it. Now, thanks to the same line, you can click on this icon here of two arrows and use your app in full screen view instantly. You can also click on this icon here and switch from pop-up to split screen. To change back, tap on this line at the top of a chosen app and select pop-up window icon. If you wish to minimize your window, click on Home button. Then tap on the bubble you can move around to go back to your pop-up, or if you wish to close it, drag the pop-up to close section at the bottom. Last but not least, when you click on this same icon of a blue line, this one, you can click on this icon here and thanks to it also change your window into this helpful bubble. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!